We thank God for this wonderful day. The first half of September is about to end, no? We begin our second half and we thank God, buhay pa at nandito pa tayo para magbigay papuri sa Panginoon. In Tagalog, ang pangalan ng ating piyesta ngayon, no, ang ating ina, no, ang kapistahan ng kapighatian ng ating mahal na ina. In English, we call it Our Lady of Sorrows. Ang sa Tagalog, no, dalamhati pala. Dalamhati ng ating mahal na ina. Dalamhati. No? Ang dalanghati, parang dalahati. Yung daladalang bigat, hinahatian is what sorrow is. Nakaisa ang ating mahal na ina sa pagdadala ng hati ng kanyang anak na si Jesus. Nakaisa siya. Tayo rin inayayahan makaisa sa dalamhati ng bawat isa. It is a very good way to make each other's burden lighter. Hindi pampabigat, kundi pampagaan. Isipin natin, ako ba sa pamilya ko, sa kasama ko, sa simbahan, ako ba pampabigat o pampagaan? No? Baka yung aking presensya, yung aking ugali, pampabigat, hindi nagpapagaan ng dalamhati ng ating kapwa. We examine ourselves, but the ultimate goal is makatulong tayo magdala ng hapis at hati ng kabigatan ng ating kapwa. No? Today, ang ating mahal na ina, sinamahan ng kanyang anak sa pagbubuhat ng krus. Imagine, no? Imagine. Ano mas masakit? Pinakapako sa krus? Pagkatapos, tapos na. O ikaw yung ina, nakita mo, kitang-kita mo, na-witness mo, nandun ka, every step of the way, nakita mo kung paano nagdusa ang iyong anak. I wonder what is more painful. Baka pumutok ang puso mo sa sakit, no? Sa dalamhati. No? How difficult that would have been. But she endured that. No? She endured it. Because she believed. Hindi naman nagtatapos sa Kalbaryo. Yun naman ang mensahe rin natin kahapon. Ano? It does not end in the cross. Hindi nagtatapos sa Kalbaryo. Because there is the guarantee of the resurrection. It does not end in the sorrowful mystery. It ends in the glorious mystery of our lives. Kaya napakaganda ng Santo Rosario, hindi naman doon nagtatapos. Because of that faith, kaya natin malampasan lahat ng krus sa ating buhay. We can overcome that because we believe it does not end there. And many times, kinukwento ko nga kahapon, nagkwento ako ng 4 o 5 kwento kahapon yung mga kalbaryo natin na pinakaayaw, naku, I dread the Calvary of my lives. Yung mga problema ko sa buhay ko, I dread it. Death, rape, naubusan ng pera, naloko, suicide. It does not end there. Baka kinakwento ko kahapon, 4 na kwento yun Yung pinakamasahol na karanasan, pwede magpalaya sa atin kung ilalagay natin sa kamay ng Diyos. No matter how painful rape is, no matter how faithful unfaithfulness is, niloko ka ng pagmamahal, no matter what, naswindle ka, nabetray ka, no matter what kind of pain that is, no matter what kind of tragedy that is, may dahilan bakit nangyari. No? Pero, pag ibigay natin sa kamay ng Panginoon, it can be a triumph, as the triumph of the cross was yesterday. Ano pa man yan? The most inhuman instrument of torture, crucifixion. The most unthinkable, the most horrible way of dying. Unti-unti, sometimes it take 3 days. Talagang torture, talagang magdusa ka, nakahubad, walang saplot. Unti-unti pumapatak na iga. Extreme cold, extreme hot. Sa disyerto, ganyan Extreme hot, sa gabi extreme cold. Unti-unti Torture talaga pinapatay. Talagang humiliation para wala nang sumunod. Ganyong katindi ang on the cross. But that cross now becomes our symbol of blessing. We begin our day, no, we begin our lives, we begin our day, we begin everything with that sign of the cross. It becomes triumphant. The most horrible instrument of torture, of dying, which we will never dream of, becomes the most sacred symbol of our faith, the cross. And we are saved by the faith. What beautiful triumph of all the troubles we have if we put it in the hands of God. And thanks be to God, Mary stood at that cross. This same Mary, the same mother of Jesus, our mother, stands by us also in all the sorrows and trials and difficulties of our lives. Sasamahan niya tayo. Hindi lang si Jesus na magbibigay ng grasya para tayo'y makaranas sa mga pagsusubok na ito. Hindi lang si Jesus, kasama rin ang ating mahal na ina na gagabay sa atin. Hindi niya pinabayaan ng kanyang anak in all the sorrows until the cross, until she was brought down on the cross, until Jesus was buried kasama si Maria. Yun rin ang pangako sa atin. Sasamahan tayo ng ating mahal na ina. That is the love of her lives, all of us, most especially her Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.